Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areebadrawingtutorials. Today I am drawing a simple scenery using a 2HB pencil. First of all, I am drawing a small house just like this. Draw with me. Here I am using a simple art paper or a chart paper. You can use any simple drawing copy also. I am drawing the house. Do comment on this video how my drawing is and what should I draw for you, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon also. So I am drawing the house just like this, neat and clean. Now drawing the door and the window in it. Drawing a tree right next to the house just like this, and drawing the upper branches of the tree. Now drawing a straight line at behind, drawing some bushes, I hope you like my drawing, and I'm waiting eagerly for your comments, and I am going to reply to each and every comment of you. So don't forget to comment. Now I'm drawing a curvy line downwards to draw the ground brink just like this, and our drawing is about to complete. So keep watching and visit my other videos also, all with voiceover tutorials. So Allah Hafiz, happy Ramadan.